Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to find your Facebook ID. This unique numerical identifier is crucial for many tasks, from app development to integrating with other services. Understanding where to locate it can save you a lot of time and effort. We'll cover two straightforward methods, ensuring you can easily retrieve your ID whenever you need it. Let's dive in and discover how simple it truly is to find this important piece of information. Our first method involves using your Facebook profile URL. Simply open your web browser and go to your personal Facebook profile page. If you haven't set a custom username, your ID will often appear as a long string of numbers directly within the URL itself. For example, it might look like facebook.com/profile.php ? ID equals 12345678890. Copy these numbers. That's your ID. If your profile URL is customized, or you prefer an alternative, online ID finder tools are incredibly useful. There are several trusted websites available that specialize in this. You just need to copy your complete Facebook profile URL and paste it into the designated field on their site. With a single click, these tools will process the information and instantly reveal your unique numerical Facebook ID. It's a quick and efficient way to get the number you need. So, why is knowing your Facebook ID so important? This unique identifier is frequently required when you're working with third-party applications or integrating your Facebook profile with other online services. Developers often use it to ensure seamless connections and personalized experiences. Having your ID readily available streamlines many technical processes, making it easier to manage your digital presence across different platforms. It's a small number with significant utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.